Throw it. Go ahead. There we go. Nope. If you want to throw stuff, it's not from the top of the stairs. It's right here. Yeah. Nope. Pick it up and throw it. You can't throw in the house, but you can throw outside. Throw it. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Keep going. There you go. Exactly. They love it. So this is how you play with the dogs, not with throwing your stuff in your room. You can throw the toys outside. Okay? Look at me. Kreed. Okay? Okay. Go ahead and throw some stuff. Throw it to the dogs. Throw as much as you want. There you go. They love it. Exactly. Well, don't throw in the house. If you're going to throw, you're going to come outside. There you go. So if you want to throw and feed them, you can feed them outside. Much better. Much more controlled. Much better. There you go. Some for you, some for them. Sounds good. Yep, go for it. Go ahead. Really? You're gonna get the whole thing? You're not gonna eat any? You have problems.